Join me as I dive into the challenge of understanding how Bitcoin ETFs are changing the game for cryptocurrency. Let's see if I can break it down for you. Bitcoin ETFs are a relatively new concept in the world of cryptocurrency, but they're already making huge waves in the market. Essentially, they're a type of investment fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin, allowing investors to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency without actually having to hold it. This might not seem like a big deal at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. Traditional investors, like institutional investors or even just regular people who are new to cryptocurrency, often face a lot of obstacles when trying to enter the crypto space. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of regulatory clarity. It's often unclear what's allowed and what's not, which can make it difficult for investors to feel confident in their investment decisions. Another major issue is the complexity of buying and storing cryptocurrency. It can be a real technical hurdle for those who aren't familiar with it. Additionally, traditional investors are often used to dealing with more traditional assets, like stocks or bonds, which come with a certain level of protection and guarantees. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is a much riskier investment, and the potential for huge losses is very real. This can make it difficult for investors to get comfortable with the idea of investing in crypto. And finally, there's the issue of liquidity. It can be hard to buy or sell large amounts of cryptocurrency quickly and at a good price. All of these challenges can make it very difficult for traditional investors to get involved in the crypto market, which means that they're missing out on a huge opportunity for growth. That's where Bitcoin ETFs come in. They're designed to address these issues head-on, making it easier for investors to get involved in the crypto market. So how do Bitcoin ETFs work? Essentially, they're a type of fund that holds Bitcoin and issues shares to investors. These shares are then listed on a stock exchange, allowing investors to buy and sell them just like they would with any other stock. This means that investors can get exposure to the price of Bitcoin without actually having to hold the cryptocurrency itself, which solves a lot of the technical and security issues that come with buying and storing crypto. One of the major benefits of Bitcoin ETFs is that they provide a way for investors to invest in Bitcoin in a more traditional way. They can buy and sell shares through their brokerage accounts, just like they would with any other stock, which makes it a lot more accessible to a wider range of investors. This increased accessibility can also help to increase liquidity in the market, which can in turn help to reduce volatility and make the market more stable. Another major benefit of Bitcoin ETFs is that they're subject to a lot of the same regulations and protections as traditional investments. This means that investors have a lot more confidence in their investment and can feel a lot more secure in their decision to invest in crypto. And finally, Bitcoin ETFs can provide a way for investors to diversify their portfolios, which can help to reduce risk and increase potential returns. One key moment in the history of Bitcoin ETFs that really stands out is the approval of the first Bitcoin ETF in the US. This was a major milestone for the industry, and it marked a significant turning point in the development of Bitcoin ETFs. It was a huge vote of confidence from regulators, and it paved the way for the development of even more ETFs in the future. The impact of this approval was huge. It led to a surge in investment in Bitcoin, and it helped to drive the price of the cryptocurrency to new highs. It also led to a lot more interest in Bitcoin ETFs from traditional investors, which helped to further increase investment in the crypto market. In the months and years that followed, we saw the development of even more Bitcoin ETFs, each one offering a slightly different take on the concept. Some focused on providing access to a specific segment of the crypto market, while others focused on providing a more diversified investment portfolio. But no matter what their focus, they all shared one thing in common. They made it easier for traditional investors to get involved in the crypto market. In summary, Bitcoin ETFs are a revolutionary development in the world of cryptocurrency. They provide a way for traditional investors to get involved in the crypto market, despite the challenges and obstacles that might otherwise stand in their way. They offer a way to invest in Bitcoin in a more traditional way, with all the protections and regulations that come with it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Bitcoin ETFs in the comments below. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and the latest developments in the industry, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 cryptocurrency trends to watch in the coming year. The link is in the description box below.